So hello friends, welcome to Astro Spirit channel. Today the planet that we are going to cover is Mars. So what is the basic significance of Mars in astrology? Okay. So we covered Sun and Moon before. Now Mars is actually representing the physical energy of your body. Whatever stamina you have, whatever endurance you possess, and your hard working level, everything is defined by Mars. Mars provides you very positive qualities also, like you can have very hard working kind of a nature, or your body will have a lot of energy. You will always feel that you have a lot of energy within you and will never be feeling lazy in life. So these are the qualities Mars will provide you. But mind you, Mars is considered as a malefic planet because it also represents your anger. Now, if Mars is not favorably placed in your chart, you can have a lot of anger issues. You can get into battles, get into meaningless battles, and also waste your time in competing with others, even if it is not required. But if it is positive, then you will actually win. You will have a very high uh, capability of winning wars, defeating others, having success in competitions. So even the competitive exams, like our government exams and everything, Sun and Mars both have to be studied. If both of them are strong, you have a very high chance of clearing any kind of competitive exams. So that's where Mars plays an important role. Now, if you see for a country, Mars will represent the defense system. See, Mars is like basically a desire. Okay, Mars will put a desire on you, and it will be so pressurizing that you cannot just ignore it. Mars will put you under pressure, and it will always be forcing you to go onto a particular path. Now, this is one planet which is very difficult to oppose because you have that deep rooted desire within you, and Mars is actually activating that. And you, when what happens when you actually have a very strong desire and you go towards it, you go towards it and you don't see what is the situation, what is happening around. You are not able to analyze the whole situations, and you keep on following one thing, and in the end you come to know that something you have lost, or you've come into some kind of trouble. So that is what your desire does to you. Just so it will put pressure on you, and it is very difficult for you to not listen to Mars. In a country, it will represent a defense system. So every country has their own birth chart. In the birth chart, if you analyze the position of Mars, you will come to know how the defense mechanism of a particular country is, how much strong are they in their defense management. See, if you see any country, they're having a lot, they spend a lot of money in their defense systems, in their defense organizations. Why do they spend? There is no war happening from 50 years or something. They have bought so many aircraft, submarines, everything. This is all pressure, pressure created by Mars that you can't ignore. And that is why, even a very high amount of money goes into maintaining these defense systems, that even people who are below poverty line in a country can all be, they all can be given that kind of money, and they can all come to that equal level, and company may not the country cannot be left behind in these cases. But still, that defense things, that is all pressure that is coming onto you, and you get indulged into it, and you lose lose yourself to it. That is what it is all about. So if Mars is favorably placed in your chart, you have a very good chance of winning wars. You have a very big, it is very difficult to defeat you. But at the same time, Mars can create a lot of temper issues, and it is uh, it is really malefic in terms of relationships, because if you are having a lot of anger and you are controlled by Mars 24 by 7, then your relationships may not work out. You might, you know all that physical, you have lot of physical energy, and you, if you don't vent it out positively, then you might run into those stress issues, or those kind of quarrels may happen. You might even make enemies without a meaning, just to make them, because you want to fight. Mars represent wars also. So there is the third house in astrology, which is Mars is Karaka of that house. So third house is conveys the battles that you are going to fight in this lifetime. So Mars is controlling that house. So if Mars is favorably placed, then it is not better to indulge with you, but at the same time you can go into a lot of stress in life. Also, if you see your brothers are represented by Mars. Every male sibling that you have will be represented by Mars. So Mars, if it is favorable, then it is quite evident yet you might receive a lot of support from your brothers. And also it is considered sometimes by some astrologers that between Moon and Mars, whichever is stronger, it will represent the mother also. So watch out for the combinations in your birth chart. Whoever is stronger between Moon and Mars will represent your mother. Okay, so it's very easy to pacify Mars if you have to actually get away from Mars, because it is second most natural malefic planet after Saturn is Mars, because it can really ruin your relationships. It can keep you into a track which you don't want to follow in life, and lot of your life goes into these meaningless battles, and you try to fight for something which after some time there will be no significance to that particular thing that you were fighting. So most of the time you will feel that it was spent meaningless things, and you will come to know that you should not have fought all this. There was no requirement for it. So if you want to keep away from such feelings, it is better to extract the positive qualities of Mars, that is the hard working nature, the willpower that you have, the determination that you have. All of that is controlled by Mars. Also, if there are very easily you can come to know how, if anyone is having a weak Mars or a strong Mars. See, sleeping in afternoon is a sign of a weak Mars. If you have a habit of sleeping in afternoon, that is a sign of weak Mars. Okay, if Mars is inmically placed, I will come to these combinations in my next videos, like what is a inimical placement. So you have to donate things related to Mars, like everything that is red in color, you can donate that, and you can get away from this maleficity of Mars, and you can try to improve on your lives. So that's it for planet Mars, guys. Next video I will be covering Mercury. Thank you all for joining. Good luck. God bless.